Here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues with mobile data not working properly on OPPO Find X9. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open settings, and of course first thing that we should check is the airplane mode. I know this is quite obvious for some people, maybe even for most people, but sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and this can be the reason why you don't have mobile data. If that is not the case, then of course we can move on. We're gonna go to mobile network over here. Now, if you have just one SIM card or SIM in general, then most of the time you can just simply enable or disable mobile data over here. So we can check if mobile data is enabled. We can also go to mobile data usage, and then we can find some options that might be turning off your mobile data, such as the data usage limit, which can be set, well, we can set up daily data usage limit and monthly as well. So you might to check that. And also we have data saving mode, which can be enabled as well. So you probably want to turn it off in case you have actually some issues with mobile data. But besides that, what you can also do is go to the settings of the SIM, and over here we can check if you use 5G connection. If you disable it, let's say in the past, then of course we can just turn it back on, just for now at least, in order to check if that is the reason why you have issues with mobile data. And if it's still not working, then of course we can proceed. We have the 2G connectivity available over here as well, which can be used in order to enhance network connectivity in some regions, though 2G connections are less secure. But of course, in terms of connectivity, you might want to turn it on, at least for now, in order to see if that helps in your specific case. And there is also the data roaming option, which is usually used in order to have the access to the internet when you are abroad. But there's also the domestic roaming only option, which can be used instead of the domestic and international. You don't really need to use international if you are at home, of course, or in your home country. But you want to check if, for example, things get better when we enable data roaming and we use the domestic roaming only. Now, besides that, if these options do not help, what we can also do is, and this is especially useful for those who have two SIMs, and in that case you want to go to the internet over here in mobile network settings, and you want to make sure that the correct SIM is selected, because for example you might be using a different SIM that is really not working for you in terms of the mobile data usage. So just check if the correct SIM is set up. We also have this option, allow mobile data switching, which can be, of course, quite useful when you get poor signal when using one SIM, and then you can use another SIM. But this can also be the reason why you, for example, lose the connection, or if something messes up while using the mobile data, and then of course this can cause some problems occasionally as well. So you probably want to turn it off, at least once again for now, to see if that helps. Now, if none of this helps, what you can also do is we can go back to settings, then we're gonna scroll down to system and update, then we're gonna choose backup and reset, then we're gonna go to reset phone, and over here we have reset network and Bluetooth settings. And unfortunately, we will reset three things at once: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. We mostly care about the last one, the mobile network settings, but unfortunately we cannot really separate it. And if you do decide to reset these settings, then you have to keep in mind that you will lose every Wi-Fi connection and every Bluetooth device that you have saved on your phone, so you will have to reconnect to these things. And after that, what you want to do is go back to settings, just make sure that mobile data is enabled, and then check if it works. If it works, then you can start going through the mobile network settings and you can try to set it up again as it was before. However, I advise you to do this one by one to make sure that you don't mess something up. And if you do mess something up in the process, then of course you might figure out what causes the issue. Also, last thing that I want to mention is that sometimes there might be some sort of outages or poor signals by the service provider or the carrier, of course. So in that case, this can be just something that is like an issue on the carrier's side rather than an issue on your OPPO Find X9. So you just have to keep that in mind, although I believe this happens quite rarely. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.